Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube app crashing on Android. So if you're facing the problem, follow this step. Firstly, simply hold on to the app for some time, then tap on the app info icon right over here with the eye symbol. It will lead you to settings. Then simply scroll down to the storage section where you'll find your cache. Now simply tap on clear cache and then simply head back one step and tap on force stop at the very end. And simply tap on OK to confirm your decision. Then simply close the apps, close all the applications from your recent. Then try going to the Play Store. We'll see if we have the updated version or not. So simply search YouTube and hit search. Then tap on the YouTube profile. And if you see update icon right over here, simply tap on it. It will update the latest version. And if it shows open, that means you already have the updated version. And for future use, what you can do is simply tap on the vertical dots and make sure that your enable auto update is enabled so that you'll get the latest version auto updated. Now simply close the application. Now try reopening the app and see if the problem is fixed. If not, then it may be the issue with your internet connection. So go to the navigation bar, turn on your airplane mode to simply reset your network. Then simply wait for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, simply turn it off and head back to your Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is strong, stable. And if it is weak, then you can always switch back to mobile data, but it will cost you your recharge. And that's it guys. Now try opening the app and the problem should be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.